Now, what is governance? Governance is not to come and tell people story. Governance is to make people happy. Governance is to make life easy for our people. Yeah, somebody was a governor from here, I agree. 2. Prince Udige has said it here. Who is your brother?
Wike.
Who is your brother?
Wike.
Who is your brother?
Wike.
Your brother is wicked not because you are the same biological mother. It's not true. But a man who had made a promise to you and has fulfilled the promise. A man who tells you yes is a yes. A man who tells you no is a no. A man who believes in integrity. A man who believes in fairness, justice, and equity. A man who believes it is not people who will come and tell you we will do. Will you want to listen to people who say we will do?
No way.
The ones that tell you, did they do it?
No way.
They didn't do it. They didn't do it. And let me tell you, this election we are going for is a fight to finish. It's a fight to finish. And we are very, very ready. We are very, very ready. We are waiting for those strangers. Those people who can sell their state because of a pot of porridge. We are waiting for them to come back. Not be so? Let them come and campaign to the people. Can they talk to you? Will you listen to them? Do they have anything to offer? So, we are here. We made promise to you, we fulfill it. They have come to make promise to you before they didn't fulfill it. These people we have brought for you to support them. You know, before I do anything, I would have checked very well. Because I know what politics is all about. Do you understand me? I'm not sure they will give you 100%. But I know they will not disappoint you. Do you understand me? I know they will not disappoint you. There are people who will still follow and make sure where we stop, they will continue. And that's why they say continuity and consolidation. But before I leave today, I'll give you one New Year gift. This local government. Because I know how you stood firm to say intimidation will never work. I know how you stood when you say nobody can blackmail you. I know how you stood when the soldiers came to attack you. You stood firm. When you had a minister that was close to Mr. President, you said no. And therefore, we will also stand with you. We will also stand by you.
Thank you, sir.
I will protect you. This time, no army is coming to do any yanwa. No army will come to do any yanwa. No Saturday will come to do any yanwa. No police will do anything here. Now it's one man, one vote. One man, one vote. One man, one vote. And all the votes must be in one basket. That's all. All the votes will be in one what? Basket. From governorship to House of Assembly. you understand me?
Yes, sir.
The other one we are concluding. When we conclude, you will be told. When we conclude, you will be told.
Yes, sir.
Nobody should intimidate you.
No way.
Nobody should tell you any story.
No way.
We are freeborn of this country. We are not second-class citizens. Nobody can tell us anything.
No way.
I dare them. Not anybody do any funny thing. We'll tell them they were from River State.
Yes, sir.
If you say you don't want us, do we want you?
No.
If you say you don't like us, must we like you?
No.
When you hate us, we not gonna hate you back.
We hate you.
If you don't fall for us, we will fall for you.
No way.
So you do for me,
I do for you.
you fall for me,
I fall for you.
you push me.
I push you. Yes, sir.
So you have to go home. The mobilization is by your unit. Be an ambassador of your unit. As we finish this campaign now, you will go home and start working before the appropriate time. When we will ring the bell, when we ring the bell, when you hear the bell being rang, know that the decision has been taken.
Yes, sir.
When you hear the bell being rang, know that the decision has been
Taken.
On this note, let me tell you, we'll do the work of Ubima to Zoha Road. Thank you, and God bless you. Thank you.